Good morning, children. Sai Ram. We are meeting today after a long break. That means after our first semester exam. So, I would like to welcome you all first in our today's active English lesson. So, how are you all? Fine? Very good. I know you all have solved your papers nicely, right? Very good. Keep it up. So now today we will begin with Active English chapter 8. Before we begin our today's lesson, we need to understand what is an adverb. The girl writes slowly. Soham is running fast. Here, the underlined words slowly and fast adds something to the meaning of the verb writes and is running. Here the verbs are writes and is running. So the underlined words slowly and fast adds something to the meaning of the verb, that is writes and is running. They say more about the verbs, so they are known as adverbs. See, if I ask question, how does the girl write? How does the girl write? So the answer will be the girl writes slowly. Okay. So slowly is an adverb which tells something about the verb. Then the next sentence, Soham is running fast. If I ask question, how is Soham running? Okay. How is Soham running? So what will be the answer? Soham is running fast. Okay. So the words slowly and fast are adverbs. Clear, children? An adverb may sometimes add meaning to an adjective also. So an adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb or an adjective. Children, this concept you are going to learn thoroughly in grammar. So we will just I have given you an idea about what is an adverb. Okay, so that you can clearly understand this lesson. Fine. Now we have to write the degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. In the previous class we have already discussed degrees of comparison. Do you remember? Yes. Okay. See here, quick is an adjective and quickly is an adverb. Now for example, he was quick to understand the lesson. He was quick to understand the lesson. So quick is an adjective. And for example, do your work quickly. When we say do your work quickly, okay? So quickly is an adverb. When we add or when ly is added to an adjective, it becomes adverb. Clear, children? So now we are going to write the degrees. We are going to complete the degrees of comparison. Quickly is an adverb. This is in positive form. So just tell me the comparative and superlative. Fine. Quickly, then comparative form will be more quickly and the superlative form will be most quickly. Is that clear? Now just repeat after me. Quickly, more quickly, most quickly. Quickly, more quickly, most quickly. Very good. Slow is an adjective and slowly is an adverb. Slowly, repeat after me. Slowly, more slowly and more slowly. Okay. More slowly will be the comparative form and more slowly will be the superlative form. Is that clear? Now repeat once again. Slowly, more slowly, most slowly. Slowly, more slowly, most slowly. Good. Brave. Bravely, more bravely, and most bravely. Okay. So just, I hope this is clear to everyone. So now we'll just repeat. Come on, repeat after me. Bravely, more bravely, most bravely. Bravely, more bravely, most bravely. Now see, fast is an adjective and adverb remains the same. Okay, it doesn't change. Okay, so adverb will be fast only. Fine. So fast, comparative form will be faster and superlative form will be fastest. Fast, faster, fastest. Okay, repeat after me. Fast, faster, fastest. Fast, faster, fastest. Good. Hard. Here also it remains the same. Adverb will be the same as adjective. So hard, harder, hardest. I repeat, hard, harder, hardest. Now repeat after me. Hard, harder, hardest. Hard, harder, hardest. Good. Yes, the next word is bad. Bad is an adjective and badly is an adverb. The comparative form will be worse and the superlative form will be worst. Okay, so badly, worse, worst. I repeat, badly, worse, worst. Children, repeat after me. Badly, worse, worst. Badly, worse, worst. Badly, worse, worst. Very good. Good is an adjective and well is an adverb. Okay, we never use good as an adverb. Okay, remember this. So well, better, best. I repeat, well, better, best. Children, repeat after me. Well, better, best. Well, better, best. Very good. Now all these degrees of comparison which we have completed, we are going to use in these sentences. Okay. Now finish the sentences. Prem ran quickly but Mohan ran more quickly. Here the comparison between two children. Okay. Two children are compared here. So that means which form of degree here? Comparative. Okay. Understood? The degree will be comparative. Prem ran quickly but Mohan ran more quickly. Okay. Anu wrote clearly but Maya wrote more clearly, because when we compare two persons, then the degree will be comparative. Okay, this we have already learnt in the previous class. So just repeat after me. Prem ran quickly but Mohan ran more quickly. Prem ran quickly but Mohan ran more quickly. Anu wrote clearly but Maya wrote more clearly. Anu wrote clearly, but Maya wrote more clearly. I hope everybody is clear. Yes, now just answer me. Raj shouted loudly, but Rahman. See here, two persons are compared. Okay, so the degree will be comparative. Okay, Raj shouted loudly, but Rahman shouted more loudly. Very good. Okay, Raj shouted loudly, but Rahman shouted more loudly. Come on, repeat after me. Raj shouted loudly, but Rahman shouted more loudly. Raj shouted loudly, but Rahman shouted more loudly. Is that clear? Very good. Jane worked hard, but Janki. Come on, tell me. Can you answer? Jane worked hard, but Janki worked harder. Very good. Okay. Janki worked harder because this is comparative form. Now repeat after me. Jane worked hard, but Janki worked harder. Jane worked hard, but Janki worked harder. Good. Jack wrote badly, but Sanjeev. Yes, Sanjeev wrote worse. Yes, okay, worse will be the comparative form. Jack wrote badly, but Sanjeev wrote worse. Okay, just repeat after me. Jack wrote badly, but Sanjeev wrote worse. Jack wrote badly, but Sanjeev wrote worse. Parul worked well, but Peggy. Yes, what will be the comparative form of well? Yes, better. Very good. Parul worked well, but Peggy worked better. No, Parul worked well, but Peggy worked better. Okay, repeat after me. Parul worked well, but Peggy worked better. Parul worked well, but Peggy worked better. Good, children. Now finish the sentences. See, all the girls wrote neatly, but Molly wrote most neatly. Here, the comparison between more than two children. Yes, more than two girls over here. All the girls wrote neatly, but Molly wrote most neatly. And as you all know, when we compare more than two children or more than two persons, then the degree will be superlative. Okay? All the girls wrote neatly, but Molly wrote most neatly. So we use most. Okay? So just repeat after me. All the girls wrote neatly, but Molly wrote most neatly. All the girls wrote neatly, but Molly wrote most neatly. Very good. Now just answer me. All the boys ran quickly, but team ran most quickly. Very good. But team ran most quickly because this will be the superlative form. No? This is the superlative degree. All the boys ran quickly, but team ran most quickly. Now, just repeat after me. All the boys ran quickly, but team ran most quickly. All the boys ran quickly, but team ran most quickly. All the soldiers fought bravely, but the captain fought most bravely. Yes, all the soldiers fought bravely, but the captain fought most bravely. Okay, now repeat after me. All the soldiers fought bravely, but the captain fought most bravely. All the soldiers fought bravely, but the captain fought most bravely. All the girls spoke slowly, but Anu, come on, tell me, all the girls spoke slowly, but Anu spoke most slowly. Very good. Okay. All the girls spoke slowly, but Anu spoke most slowly. Repeat after me. All the girls spoke slowly, but Anu spoke most slowly. All the girls spoke slowly, but Anu spoke most slowly. All the boys sang well, but David, come on, tell me, all the boys sang well, but David, what will be the superlative form of well? Yes, the best. Very good. Okay. So, the sentence will be all the boys sang well, but David sang the best. Okay. Very good. All the boys sang well, but David sang the best. I repeat, all the boys sang well, but David sang the best. Repeat after me. All the boys sang well, but David sang the best. All the boys sang well, but David sang the best. Very good, children. I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes, now answer the following. Okay, children? Just look at the picture and answer. Which boy ran the fastest? Which boy ran the fastest? See the picture properly. Yes, the names are written down. The names are written below the picture. Just see. First is Rose, then Anu, Raj, Maya, Mohan and Prem. So, which boy ran the fastest? Yes, very good. Prem ran the fastest. Very good answer. Prem ran the fastest. Very good. Now repeat after me. Which boy ran the fastest? Prem ran the fastest. Which boy ran the fastest? Prem ran the fastest. Good. Which boy ran the most slowly? Which boy ran the most slowly? Yes, very good. Raj ran the most slowly. Raj ran the most slowly. Okay? Just repeat after me. Which boy ran the most slowly? Raj ran the most slowly. Which boy ran the most slowly? Raj ran the most slowly. Very good. Which girl ran the fastest? Yes. Very good. Maya ran the fastest. Very good answer. Maya ran the fastest. Now repeat after me. Which girl ran the fastest? Maya ran the fastest. Which girl ran the fastest? Maya ran the fastest. Good. Which girl ran the most slowly? Very good. Rose ran the most slowly. Very good. Rose ran the most slowly. Repeat. Which girl ran the most slowly? Rose ran the most slowly. Which girl ran the most slowly? Rose ran the most slowly. Which girl ran faster than Raj? Just see, which girl ran faster than Raj? Yes, Maya ran faster than Raj. Very good answer. Maya ran faster than Raj. Now repeat after me. Which girl ran faster than Raj? Maya ran faster than Raj. Which girl ran faster than Raj? Maya ran faster than Raj. Which girl did the best? Now see here the marks are given. Okay. So just see, first child is Raj, then Mohan, then Rose, then Prem, Anu and Maya. Which girl did the best? Yes, very good. Maya did the best. Maya did the best. Now repeat after me. Which girl did the best? Maya did the best. Which girl did the best? Maya did the best. Good. Which girl did the worst? Yes, Rose did the worst. Very good. Rose did the worst. Now repeat after me. Which girl did the worst? Rose did the worst. Which girl did the worst? Rose did the worst. Which boy did the best? Yes, Prem did the best. Very good. Prem did the best. Now repeat after me. Which boy did the best? Prem did the best. Which boy did the best? Prem did the best. Which boys did the worst? See properly. Yes, Raj and Mohan. Very good. Raj and Mohan did the worst because they got less marks than others. Raj and Mohan did the worst. No? Come on, repeat after me. Which boys did the worst? Raj and Mohan did the worst. Which boys did the worst? Raj and Mohan did the worst. Very good. Which boy did better than Rose? Yes, which boy did better than Rose? Yes, Prem did better than Rose. Very good. Prem did better than Rose. Now repeat after me. Which boy did better than Rose? Prem did better than Rose. Which boy did better than Rose? Prem did better than Rose. Very good, children. Here we have completed chapter number 8. Then in the next class, we will continue with the next lesson. Till then, bye. Sai Ram.